Welcome to the Outdoor Chef channel. Today, we're making an incredible wing recipe right in your home kitchen. Forget every wing you've ever had, because this recipe will take your taste buds to a whole new level. Crispy on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. Let's get started.
Lightly season the pre-cleaned wings with salt, then coat them evenly with flour. Fry them in hot oil until they turn golden and crispy. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to the Outdoor Chef channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our delicious recipes. Now, let's continue preparing our irresistible wings.
Carefully fry the wings in hot oil until they turn golden and crispy. Continue frying until all the wings are done. If you prefer a lighter alternative, you can first sear the wings in a pan or pre-bake them in the oven before frying. This way, you can achieve perfect flavor using different cooking methods. We've fried all the wings to perfection and they're crispy on the outside. Now it's time to move on to the second step. To take the flavor to the next level, we'll prepare our special sauce. If you're ready, let's make these delicious wings even better. Finely chop the pre-cleaned garlic and ginger to get them ready for use. These little touches will add an incredible aroma to the wings. By the way, where are you watching the Outdoor Chef channel from? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you and see which city or country you're tuning in from. Place the pan on the stove and once it's heated, add the olive oil. Then, add the finely chopped garlic and ginger. Stir and saute until the garlic releases its aroma and the ginger gives off its fragrance, continuing to cook until everything turns golden brown. At this point, your kitchen will be filled with an amazing scent. Now add the honey and soy sauce and mix well. Continue stirring until the sauces are fully combined. This mixture will give the wings the perfect flavor and shine. Campfire, ChatGPT. Add 1 teacup of water, then add chili pepper and black pepper. Stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. This will add an extra layer of flavor to the sauce. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in a bowl, add some water, and mix well. Then, pour this mixture into the sauce in the pan and stir continuously to thicken the sauce. Once the sauce has thickened and reached the desired consistency, it's ready. Add the wings to the prepared sauce and cook on low heat for a bit longer, allowing the sauce to fully coat the wings. Meanwhile, let's move on to the third step. We'll be preparing some delicious rice on the side. If you've been following our recipe on the Outdoor Chef channel up to this point, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. As a final touch, sprinkle sesame seeds on top of the wings. This will add both visual appeal and extra flavor. Place the rice pot on the stove and add olive oil. Then, add the washed rice and continue stirring until the rice is well toasted. Once the rice is toasted, add a sufficient amount of salt and mix well. Next, add hot water to cover the rice completely. Cover the pot and cook the rice on the lowest heat, letting it cook slowly. Let it cook until the rice softens and absorbs all the water. With this method, your rice will always turn out fluffy and delicious. Serve the saucy wings elegantly with the delicious rice you've prepared. It's a full meal feast, both in looks and flavor. After trying this recipe, don't forget to share your thoughts with us. Your comments are very valuable to us. For alternative recipes and more tasty suggestions, you can visit the main menu of the Outdoor Chef channel. See you in the next recipes. Stay healthy and happy. Enjoy your meal.